Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, January 26th, is Australia Day. Australia has been facing terrible fires for several months now, and I thought it was time to pay tribute to this country, to the Australians, and to the beautiful wildlife. But in an optimistic way, with some cute critters celebrating the birth of a baby kangaroo. To save a lot of time, I did all the die cutting off screen using the center picture window die set and add-on. I have a dark yellow card base, 3 light yellow rectangles and 2 kinds of borders. Those borders were made using the rectangle die from the add-on set, and then using the Stitch Simple Wavy Border die set and Shadow Box Card Mountain add-on. I started by folding the card base in half, and I wanted to add a thread to be able to close the card, so before attaching the back panel I stuck a piece of twine, and then I adhered one of the light yellow rectangles. This is where I will write my message. Next, some shadows. I started with the wavy borders and I applied a little bit of Vintage Photo Distress ink at the top. I will use those light yellow rectangles as a sky, and I applied Rusty Hinge on those pieces. For the mountains, I used Vintage Photo again to darken those elements a little bit more. I added splatters on some elements, Ground Espresso on the wavy borders and Rusty Hinge on the sky pieces, and next I stuck another piece of twine on the front panel, and then I attached the sky panel as well as a mountain border and the wavy border. And I did the same thing inside of the card. For the middle scene, I first die cut one insert piece. I applied double-sided tape on the thin tabs. I folded those tabs and the element in half. I trimmed it a little bit so it wouldn't peek from behind the future border, and I attached it. I folded the right tab and aligned the element with the center of the card base. I folded the element on the right and then folded it in half, and I folded the card base to totally attach the insert piece. And there we go! I cut another wavy border measuring 2 1/8. I folded it in half and attached it on the insert piece. The images I used for this card were stamped using brown ink and colored using alcohol markers. Most of them are from the Critters Down Under stamp set, but the small kangaroo and baby are from this Party Kangaroo stamp set. This stamp set is a free gift at Lawn Fawn during your birthday month. All you have to do is to add your date of birth in your Lawn Fawn account, and you will receive the code by email. When the coloring part was done, I cut the images using the coordinating dies, and I wanted the kangaroo to be on the middle section of my card, so I used this T-shaped die, also from the Center Picture window die set, to create a nice core line on the image. I folded the image in half and attached it on the insert piece. And next I stuck all the images, and you can notice that I stamped and cut some cactus. They're from the Stuck on You stamp set. Like I said at the beginning of the video, those cute critters are celebrating the birth of a baby kangaroo, so when everything was attached, I gave them party hats to make it more happy. The tiny hat is from the Party Kangaroo stamp set, the free gift, and the two big hats are from the Wild for You stamp set. For my sentiment, I stamped the words Hello Baby from the Hello Baby stamp set on vanilla cardstock and stuck those pieces on the front panel using foam squares. And finally, I added this boomerang in one of the trees inside of the card. And this is the final result. So what do you think? I hope you like this lovely little scene. Feel welcome to show love and support for Australia in the comment section. And if you'd like to see more countries or cities, don't hesitate to make suggestions below the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon. Bye!